Europeans save hundreds of billions of dollars in banks. Statistics show that France, Spain, Italy, and Germany have accumulated about 100 billion euros in banks. But in addition, I assure you, and I know this to be true, even in places where people are barely able to make it to the next paycheck and pensions are quite meager, they still put money away in a jar. Not in a bank, but in a jar. That is, people have become hoarders. They're either afraid of a second pandemic or they don't trust anyone. At any rate, they don't know what the future holds. I always want to put myself in the average person's shoes. So here I am, a simple man. What should I save for a rainy day?
Keep saving money.
So I should keep on saving.
Yes, don't stop doing it.
Okay.
But that's not all. You have to understand that money will help and that it's good to have it. But what circumstances will you be in tomorrow for this money to be of any use to you? Let me draw this picture for you a little. I'll explain what tomorrow will bring, and you will decide what to do about it.
That would be great.
So let me tell you what tomorrow will be like, and you will decide what you should do. This is what the future holds. Whether you like it or not, everything will be based on total connection between people and on good connection. People will realize that ego is their enemy and that they can no longer remain in it. Otherwise, it is as if oxygen supply has been cut off for you, meaning we stop receiving pleasure from any of our engagements. We don't feel any positive results. We have no choice to be tied by good connection with each other. Little by little, it'll become evident from nature. We will suddenly see that nature's laws are changing. That is, there is a negative and positive force, and suddenly we realize that it is only through the positive forces that we can achieve any result, while the evil forces, on the contrary, yield nothing. How will we act? I hope it'll be in this way.
So this money that I have put away, listening to you, let's say I took your words in. Even now, I'd be receptive. How would I invest this money? Into the education of my children or something else?
Naturally into upbringing and education, and also into becoming closer with other people.
That would be the best investment, right?
Yes.
So I have my necessities, my bread, as you say, and the rest?
You will be able to buy securities with this money. And on each security, it'll be written that you are connected by good ties with 10, 100, or 1,000 people.
And this will be my real money.
This is your contribution and the environment that you buy for yourself.